How to speed up video in Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another Vimeo tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll be putting you through the procedures of how you can speed up a video in Vimeo. So if you have a video that you'd like to speed up, you're welcome to the right place. So ensure you watch this video to the end, alright? The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account, then move to the left side of the screen where you can see a sidebar, then click on your library option. Then on the library page, you can see a number of videos. Select the one that you would like to speed up. After selecting it, you will be brought automatically to your video settings page. Once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the video player itself, then scroll down, all right, to the bottom part of the screen where you can see play, you can see the duration of the video, then you can see the settings option. Once you can see that, click on it. Then you'll see the option quality and speed. So click on speed and you can see different levels of speed. You can see the normal speed, you can see 1.25x, 1.5, you can see 2x. So depending on the category or how fast you want it to be, select it, all right, and then go back and go ahead and watch your video, and you would see that the video's speed is different from the initial one. So this is it, right? This is how you can go about it. So go ahead and um speed up that video today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.